If $2,500 is invested at 4.7% annual interest, compounded continuously, then we are going to figure out this right here. Here's the key word. The most important word right here is continuously, because this right here tells us that we are going to use this formula. And of course, you should begin with the correct formula. Well, it's Q equals A for the initial amount, but we have to multiply by E, right? Again, right here, whenever it says continuously, right here, we'll be using E. And this is the special number E that I talked about in the lecture video, which is about 2.718, and you should be able to find it on your calculator, right? So A times E raised to the KT's power. This is the one that we are going to use. All right, now let's go back here. Right here it says 2,500. That's the initial amount. So A is equal to 2,500. It's invested at 4.7%. This right here is the continuous growth rate because right here it has the continuous. So that's the K. And again, whenever you see percent, be sure to change that to decimal. So you end up with 0.047, right? Then we can just throw in the numbers and then we can have our formula. So we have Q is equal to, A is 2,500, so let's put that down. E is still E, and then the K is that, namely 0.047. Then we just have to multiply by T, right? So this is the formula that we are going to use. And now, part A, it says, find the value of the investment after 8 years. Well, I just have to plug in T is equal to 8 right here. So Q is equal to 2,500 times E raised to the 0.047, and the T is 8. So I just have to put that in here. And what do we do next? Yes, we just use our calculator. So let me just do it on the side for you guys. And be sure you know where to find the E button, right? Anyway, 2,500 times E raised to the 0.047 times 8. All right, we get approximately, well, let's put on a dollar sign first. 3641, right? So $3,641, 12 cents. Right here, $0.12, so 12 cents, like this, right? That's part A. Now, let's see part B. How long will it take for the value of the investment to be $10,000? This time, the 10,000 is the Q, the quantity that we are trying to get. So let's put that down. Well, that's equal to this, which is the 2,500 times E raised to the 0.047 times T. All right. So now I'm just going to divide 2,500 on both sides so that this and that will cancel. And then we will see, let's write this down first. E to the 0.047t. 10,000 divided by 2,500 is equal to 4. All right, great. Now what do we do next? Well, the t is in the exponent. We have to do logarithm. But technically this is e, right? So we have to do log base e. But that's the same as doing the natural log. So do the ln on both sides, right? So again, let me just make a note right here for you guys. ln, right? This button on your calculator, that means, right? This means log of base e. So I'm still taking a log base e, so I'm still able to cancel this out, right? But it's just easier if you do the ln key on the calculator. All right, 0.047t, and I'm just going to give you guys the answer for the ln4. Well, let's put down ln4, natural log of 4. This right here is approximately 1.386. All right, then we just have to divide both sides by 0.047 and do the same right here. Oops, dividing both sides by 0.047. So that this and that will cancel each other out. And then t is approximately Let me just divide that for you guys. 0.047. I get about 29.495. So I'll just say 29.5 years. In another word, yes, almost 30 years to have your money being quadrupled, which is kind of cool. But anyway, though, that's it.